The Apiaceae family, or the carrot family, comprises of many species of herbs and vegetables we commonly eat, but don't really realize are all part of the same family. Some of these include carrots, cilantro, fennel, dill, but how do you identify? Some ways to identify an Apiaceae family is through their leaves. The leaves commonly come in lobed shapes or feathery, and they tend to be very fragrant, like those in cilantro and fennel. But one of the most common characteristics is the inflorescence with a flower. The flower looks like an upside down umbrella and is what we call an umbel shaped flower. What's really so unique about this flower is that it provides the perfect landing pad for pollinators to be able to access the flower and reassure pollination so that way the plant life cycle continues and more seeds and plants are produced. These plants tend to have a very deep taproot like those in carrots, and there are many edible varieties, but also very harmful ones like poison hemlock and Queenland's lace. We hope you learned something new today, and thanks for watching.